Aloha kako, Master Gina Miyazetti here. I am so honored and delighted to be a master teacher of the Master Sha Tao Academy to bring you the soul song of love, peace, and harmony for Hawai'i. So as of this morning, I just checked the news and some good things, other things are remaining the same. So one of the good things is that the emissions of sulfur dioxide have decreased, but the air quality still continues to be very poor. And there is still a lot of peles, hair, or glass fragments in the air. We are still having multiple earthquakes every day. Aloha, Rebecca. Thank you for joining us. In fact, hundreds of earthquakes every day. And the crater floor is continuing to drop, which is an indication that the mountain could still implode, which would be very bad for all of us in Hawaii and around the world. So let us continue to sing love, peace, and harmony for Hawaii, and especially for our beloved Mount Kilauea, all of the residents and visitors and workers of the Big Island, and for all of the animals and all of the plant life, because our trees, many thousands of trees have been destroyed by the lava, and this is affecting our rainfall. We should be having a lot of rain right now on the Big Island, and there is no rain. So let us sing love, peace, and harmony to bring more trees back to Hawaii, and for the rain to come, and for the volcano to begin to slow down. Right now, they're still telling us there is no end in sight. The activity is still continuing. The crater floor is still continuing to drop. So let us join hearts and souls together to send all of our greatest love to Hawaii. Love has the power to prevent disasters. When we have peace in our hearts, we know that there is joy and forgiveness. And when we all join together in greatest harmony, we can bring more alignment to humanity, to Mother Earth, and to countless planets, stars, galaxies, and universes. So let us all align by sitting down straight, having our back straight away from the back of our chair so that the energy can circulate around us, and smiling to our hearts to bring more love into our hearts, and visualizing a beautiful rainbow light over Hawaii. Thank you, Christina. Christina writes, she is in Santa Rosa, California. Happy to be here when the feed is live. Okay, wonderful. Yes, thank you so much, Christina. So we try to be live here every day at noon. So thank you, everyone. And visualizing beautiful rainbow light over the whole island chain and within our own hearts, and let us say hello. So just follow along with me silently or aloud. Dear soul, mind, and body of love, peace, and harmony. Dear all of the love, peace, harmony saints. Dear all of our love, peace, harmony heavens teams and teams on Mother Earth. Dear the soul of Mother Earth. Dear the soul of heaven and countless planets, stars, galaxies, and universes. We love you all, honor you all, and deeply appreciate you all. Please bless Hawaii with greatest love, peace, and harmony to prevent any further disaster. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you. And smiling into our hearts and souls, creating a beautiful field of love, peace, and harmony within each of us and throughout Hawaii. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you. So let us sing in soul language, Mandarin Chinese, English, Hawaiian, and more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. And thank you so much, beloved Master Diane, for joining us for singing Love, Peace, and Harmony for Hawaii. Wo ai wo shin haling. Wo ai chuan ran lei. Wan ling rong he mu shi shang. Xiang ai ping an ho xi ye. Xiang ai ping an ho xi ye. And Master Diane sends her love to everyone from Toronto, where she is in person at a retreat with Master Sha. So thank you, Master Diane, for taking time out of your very precious retreat to join us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love my heart and soul. I love all humanity. Join hearts and souls together. Love, peace, and harmony. Love, peace, and harmony. E aloha mai a'o. E aloha kako apau. E pili mai pu'uvai kako. Aloha malohia alokai. Aloha malohia alokai. Kokoro to tamashi wo aishiteru. Jinrui subete wo aishiteru. Kokoro to tamashi wo hitotsu ni shiyou. Ai heiwa so shite chowa. Ai heiwa so shite chowa. And let us begin again in soul language from our hearts, sending all of our greatest love, visualizing peace throughout the Hawaiian Islands. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. And Christina is chanting in French and Spanish. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's wonderful. I'm so sorry I haven't learned French or Spanish yet. So that is definitely on my to-do list. Okay, let us begin again, sending our greatest love. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, la, li. Lula, lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Mandarin. Wo ai wo xin ha ling. Wo ai chuan ran nei. Wan ling rong he mu shi shang. Xiang ai ping an ho xie. Xiang ai ping an ho xie. English. I love my heart and soul. I love all humanity. Join hearts and souls together. Love, peace, and harmony. Love, peace, and harmony. E aloha mai a'u. E aloha kako apau. E pili mai pu'uvai kako. Aloha maluhia alokahi. Aloha maluhia alokahi. Kokoro to tamashi wo aishiteru. Jinrui subete wo aishiteru. Kokoro to tamashi wo hitotsu ni shiyou. Ai heiwa so shite chowa. Ai heiwa so shite chowa. Hanaho. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, la, li. Lula, lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Wo ai wo xin ha ling. Wo ai chuan ran nei. Wan ling rong he mu shi shang. Xiang ai ping an ho xie. Xiang ai ping an ho xie. And remember, sharing is caring, so please share this video, share it on your social media, share it with your friends, so that more hearts and souls can gather together to support Hawaii, to bring peace to the Big Island, to Mount Kilauea, to bring peace to the soul of the land. We are so grateful for each and every one of you, and let me know how you are feeling. I'm feeling so happy and joyful to be here with you all, to be here with all of you, to bring joy to the hearts and souls of every one of us. So vala'au, make a comment in the comment section, and like and share. I'm so excited to be here with you. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, and English. I love my heart and soul. I love all humanity. Join hearts and souls together. Love, peace, and harmony. Love, peace, and harmony. And Hawaiian? E aloha mai a'u. E aloha kako apau. E pili mai pu'uwai kako. Aloha manuhi alokahi. Aloha maluhi alokahi. Nihongo. Kokoroto tamashi wo aishiteru. Jinrui subete wo aishiteru. Kokoroto tamashi wo itotsu ni shiyo. Ai wa so shite chowa. Ai wa so shite chowa. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, it's amazing how much light can come with just a few minutes of singing this beautiful song. We've been singing for I think about 15 minutes, and I feel so happy. I feel so joyful. I feel so much gratitude in my heart to every single person out there who is joining Hearts and Souls, either physically or on the level of the soul. Thank you all the souls in the soul world. Thank you all the souls in different dimensions and other times. We love you, honor you, and appreciate you. So let us say how. How is a Chinese word spelled H-A-O, meaning good job, well done, perfect. And then let us say thank you, love you, and gong song, which is a Chinese phrase meaning to respectfully return. So let us say thank you, thank you, thank you, love you, love you, love you, gong song, gong song, gong song. And join us here again tomorrow at noon on the Love, Peace, Harmony Movement Facebook page. Thank you, everyone. Until next time, ahui ho, hao.